In today's video, I'm going to teach you about bundles and types, as well as how to use Shopify's native Bundles app to set them up effectively. Bundling is a fantastic way to offer more value to your customers by selling two or more related products together. Imagine pairing a shampoo with a conditioner or creating a 3-pack of t-shirts. This strategy not only enhances the shopping experience for your customers, but can also lead to increased sales for your business. Let's dive into the types of bundles you can create. First, we have the fixed bundle. This is a predetermined set of items where the customer can choose variants such as color or size, but not the actual items themselves. Then, there's the multi-pack, which includes more than one of the same product, like 3 identical shirts. Lastly, there's the mix-and-match option, where customers have the flexibility to select from a group of interchangeable items. However, to create a mix-and-match bundle, you may need to use third-party apps or custom coding since it's not natively supported by Shopify. Now, let's focus on using Shopify's native Bundles app to create fixed bundles and multi-packs. Shopify offers a free app called Shopify Bundles, available across all its plans, which makes it easier for you to set up these types of bundles. Let's walk through the process. First, you'll need to install the Bundles app. Head over to your Shopify admin, click on Apps, and then go to the Shopify App Store to find the Bundles app. Once you locate it, proceed to install it. This app will be your primary tool for creating and managing bundles within your store. The next step involves setting up a new bundle. Within your Shopify admin dashboard, navigate to Bundles and click on Create Bundle. Here, you'll start the process of crafting a bundle that suits your products and marketing strategy. Once you've hit Create, it's time to give your bundle a name. Choose a descriptive title, such as Summer Skincare Set, so it's easily identifiable and appealing to your customers. Remember, this is the name that will appear on your store and attract potential buyers. After naming your bundle, you'll select the products or variants to include. Decide on the exact items that will be part of the bundle. This includes setting quantities for each product and selecting specific variants like size and color if needed. For multi-packs, you might include several of the same item, so consider customer preferences and stock availability. Now, you'll want to set up the bundle details. This involves uploading enticing images, crafting a compelling description, and setting an attractive price. Additionally, make sure to configure the sales channels, such as your online store, where the bundle will be available. Don't forget to switch its status from draft to active, ensuring your customers can see and purchase the bundle. An essential part of the process is inventory management. Shopify takes care of this by calculating the number of bundles you can sell, based on the lowest inventory level among the items included. This feature helps prevent overselling, which is crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction. Lastly, publish your bundle and conduct a test. View the product page to see how the variants and included items are displayed. Test adding the bundle to the cart and proceed to checkout to ensure everything functions seamlessly. With everything set, your customers are ready to start enjoying your thoughtfully curated bundles.